The Rogue is already one of the key players in the segment, but the next year's model is bringing game-changing updates that will change the paradigm completely. That's right, its unique hybrid powertrain is finally coming, along with other important updates to help it once again become a class leader. Stay with us to find out what really makes the 2026 Nissan Rogue so special. EPower, finally coming to America. The 2026 Nissan Rogue is finally bringing the innovative EPower system to American shores. After years of success in Japan and Europe, this unique approach to hybrid technology is making its way to the US market, and it's set to transform how we think about electrified vehicles. What makes EPower so different? Unlike conventional hybrids, where both the gasoline engine and electric motor can directly power the wheels, the EPower system uses the gasoline engine exclusively as a generator to charge a small battery pack. The electric motor is 100% responsible for moving the car, with the engine having no mechanical connection to the wheels whatsoever. This seemingly small distinction creates a dramatically different driving experience. Because the wheels are solely powered by the electric motor, you get all the benefits of electric propulsion: smooth acceleration, instant torque, and quiet operation. But since the gasoline engine is constantly available to charge the battery, there's no range anxiety or need to plug in. It's essentially an electric vehicle experience with a gasoline engine serving as an onboard power station. The previous generations of EPower available overseas had one significant drawback. The gas engine would kick in rather noticeably, creating unwanted noise and vibration. But the third generation system coming to the 2026 Rogue has addressed this issue completely. The system is now much quieter, with the engine engaging and disengaging in a calmer, more refined way. Nissan claims this latest version brings 15% greater efficiency on the highway compared to the current tech, while also reducing tailpipe emissions. This third-gen EPower uses a specially calibrated 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that's been designed specifically for its generator role. It's part of what Nissan calls a 5-in-1 system that combines the motor, battery, inverter, generator, and engine in a single chassis, a package that's smaller, lighter, and more cost-effective than previous designs. Exterior design. While the EPower system is the star of the show, the 2026 Nissan Rogue isn't slouching in the design department either. The current generation builds upon the current model's crisp lines and creases, making it one of the more elegant designs in the compact SUV segment. The front end features Nissan's now familiar V-Motion grille, but it's been updated with a more three-dimensional appearance and integrated seamlessly with slimmer, more aggressive LED headlights. From the side, the Rogue maintains its athletic profile with a floating roof design and strong character lines. The rear gets a more sculpted appearance with new connected LED taillights that span the width of the tailgate, creating a more premium and modern look. The overall silhouette remains recognizable as a Rogue, but with sharper detailing and more sophisticated surfacing. For those seeking something more rugged, the Rogue continues to offer the Rock Creek trim that was introduced in the previous generation. This trim adds 17-inch satin black wheels, all-terrain tires, and reinforced lower body trim to make it more capable in off-road situations. A tubular roof rack with crossbars comes standard on this variant, providing additional utility for outdoor enthusiasts. Interior, premium feel with practical solutions. Step inside the 2026 Rogue and you'll find an interior that continues Nissan's push-up market. The cabin strikes an impressive balance between luxury and practicality, with a design that feels a class above many competitors. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal layout with minimal physical buttons anchored by a floating center console that provides additional storage underneath. One of the Rogue's standout interior features is its exceptionally comfortable seating. The front seats are soft and feel like they mold to your body, making them perfect for long drives. The Rogue also offers something rare in this segment: triple-zone climate control, allowing rear passengers to set their own temperature preferences. Nissan has paid special attention to tech integration in the new Rogue. All models come with a digital gauge cluster, while higher trims get a massive 12.3-inch unit. The infotainment system features a standard 8-inch touchscreen, but SL and Platinum models receive a larger 12.3-inch display with Google-based software. This is the first Nissan with Google built in, providing access to numerous apps through a sleeker interface than the standard system. The Rogue remains a standout for cargo capacity and clever storage solutions. Higher trims offer a set of reconfigurable floor panels that can create a flat load bed, partitions, or be lowered to open up extra space. Parents will appreciate the easy-to-access latch points and wide-opening rear doors that make installing car seats much less of a hassle. Powertrain and performance. The heart of the 2026 Rogue's appeal is its unique powertrain. With the EPower system, Nissan has engineered the Rogue to drive like an EV while avoiding the associated range concerns. The goal was to eliminate the delayed, non-linear, or otherwise unpleasant acceleration sometimes found in conventional hybrids. The power output of the EPower Rogue will likely exceed the current model's 201 horsepower turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. Early performance estimates suggest a 0 to 60 mph time of around 7 seconds, quite respectable for a vehicle in this class. More importantly, the instant torque delivery from the electric motor creates a much more responsive feel in everyday driving scenarios. For those who prefer conventional powertrains, the 2026 Rogue will still offer the 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder from the current model as the base option. This engine produces 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard, with all-wheel drive available across the lineup and standard on the Rock Creek trim. Nissan has also focused on the Rogue's thermal management system to ensure the vehicle always operates in the most efficient zone for as long as possible, crucial for highway driving economy. The EPower system is expected to deliver around 35 to 40 miles per gallon in combined driving, significantly better than the current model's 31 miles per gallon combined rating with all-wheel drive. Comfort and ride quality. With the third-generation EPower system, the 2026 Rogue delivers a significantly more refined driving experience. The powertrain is housed in a more rigid structure, dramatically reducing noise and vibration. In fact, the system is so quiet that road noise becomes more noticeable, something Nissan has addressed with improved sound insulation throughout the cabin. The new Rogue also shows noticeable improvements in ride quality. The suspension has been tuned to provide a more comfortable experience over rough patches, with the vehicle feeling both stable and composed. The solid build helps make it feel nimbler as well, enhancing the overall driving dynamics. Engineering efforts have focused on canceling out vibration and noise, with motor control systems that respond instantly and smoothly to acceleration inputs. Special attention has been paid to reducing dive and squat, especially in snow or on loose surfaces. The motor counters these movements in milliseconds, providing a flat, stable driving experience even in challenging conditions. The steering feels direct and well-weighted, though there's still a hint of body roll in corners. Almost welcome as it gives you feedback that you're actually driving. For highway-heavy drivers, the Rogue offers Nissan's advanced ProPilot Assist 2.1, a system that allows hands-free driving on pre-mapped roads. Drivers still need to keep their eyes on the road, but this feature helps make long, open stretches or grueling stop-and-go commutes significantly less of a chore. Safety. Nissan continues its commitment to safety with the 2026 Rogue, offering an impressive suite of standard and available driver assistance technologies. The vehicle comes equipped with Nissan's latest Safety Shield 360 package, which includes automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and rear automatic braking. Higher trims get access to even more advanced features. The ProPilot 2.1 system enhances the Rogue's driver assistance capabilities by adding speed, braking, and lane control to its adaptive cruise control system. A 360-degree camera system with off-road views is also available, particularly useful for the Rock Creek variant. The Rogue's structure has been engineered to provide excellent crash protection, with strategic reinforcements throughout the body designed to absorb and dissipate impact energy. Early crash test simulations suggest the 2026 Rogue will earn top safety ratings from both the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Release date and price. The 2026 Nissan Rogue with the revolutionary EPower system is about to arrive at dealerships in the next year. As for pricing, the base S trim is about to start around $31,000, with the EPower variants commanding a premium of approximately $2,000 to $3,000 over the equivalent gas-only models. The top-spec Platinum EPower will get pretty close to $45,000 when fully equipped. The 2026 Rogue will continue to be built at Nissan's Smyrna, Tennessee plant, ensuring it avoids potential import tariffs and helping keep prices competitive. Additionally, all 2026 Rogues will include the Nissan Maintenance Care Program, which covers the first 3 oil changes for up to 2 years or 24,000 miles. But key rivals are getting significant upgrades as well. Check out this video that explains what really makes the Honda CR-V so special, which you can now see on the screen. America's second best-selling SUV, and one of Rogue's closest competitors, is also getting important updates that may even help it surpass the RAV4 and become the absolute leader in the segment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.